2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks the highly anticipated return of one of Volkswagen's most iconic and stylish models. Originally introduced in the mid-20th century as a collaboration between VW and the Italian design house Carrozzeria Ghia, the Karmann Ghia quickly became a symbol of accessible luxury and sleek automotive design. In its 2025 reincarnation, Volkswagen embraces the classic spirit while thoroughly modernizing the coupe for a new generation of drivers, blending retro charm with advanced technology and performance. Visually, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a masterclass in modern retro design. Volkswagen retains the low-slung silhouette and fluid body lines that made the original Karmann Ghia so beloved. The rounded nose, curvaceous fenders, and tapering rear are all present, but they have been reinterpreted with sharper creases and aerodynamic enhancements suited for the modern road. LED headlights are smoothly integrated into the front fascia, offering a futuristic glow while still nodding to the past. The rear features a minimalist design with a slim light bar stretching across the back, while the iconic VW logo proudly sits at the center. New color options like vintage teal and sunset copper pay homage to classic shades while introducing fresh metallic finishes that enhance the car's contours. Performance-wise, Volkswagen offers a thoroughly modern experience underneath. The nostalgic exterior. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is built on the same modular electric platform as the ID lineup, meaning it is fully electric. It comes with two drivetrain options, a single-motor rear-wheel drive version and a more powerful dual-motor, all-wheel drive variant. The base model produces around 210 horsepower, allowing for brisk acceleration and a smooth, responsive drive ideal for city cruising or weekend getaways. Meanwhile, the dual-motor version boosts output to approximately 320 horsepower, making it a surprisingly athletic performer. The Karmann Ghia's low center of gravity and finely tuned suspension ensure that it handles corners with precision and comfort. With an estimated range of 280 to 320 miles on a full charge, depending on configuration, it matches practicality with performance in an environmentally conscious package. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia strikes a fine balance between minimalism and luxury. The cabin design continues the exterior's blend of retro and modern, featuring clean lines, soft touch materials, and subtle chrome accents. A two-tone dashboard reminiscent of the original Karmann Ghia's design houses a high-resolution 12.9-inch infotainment display, seamlessly integrated with Volkswagen's latest software. Drivers will appreciate the fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to show classic-style gauges or modern performance data. Seating is comfortable and supportive, with premium vegan leather upholstery available in vintage-inspired hues like saddle brown and misty gray. Despite its sporty exterior proportions, the Karmann Ghia offers surprising interior space, thanks to its smart packaging and flat floor design enabled by its electric platform. Advanced features like a premium Harman Kardon sound system, wireless smartphone integration, and a suite of driver assistance technologies come standard. As for pricing, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia positions itself as a premium offering within Volkswagen's electric lineup. The base rear-wheel drive model starts at around $46,000, while the more powerful all-wheel drive variant is priced closer to $54,000. Various trim levels and option packages allow buyers to tailor the car to their personal tastes and needs, whether they prioritize performance, luxury, or retro styling cues. Volkswagen is also offering a limited heritage edition that includes special badging, exclusive color options, and bespoke interior details for those who want an even deeper connection to the car's history. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia successfully revives a beloved classic while delivering the technology, performance, and quality expected by today's drivers. It is more than just a nostalgic nod. It's a thoughtfully crafted, stylish electric coupe that stands proudly on its own merits. Volkswagen's blending of heritage design and cutting-edge innovation ensures that the new Karmann Ghia will not only appeal to longtime fans, but also capture the hearts of a new generation, seeking something uniquely beautiful in an increasingly uniform automotive landscape. Would you also like a shorter version for social media or a YouTube video script?